very delicious recipe. It is particularly moist. It smells, your kitchen is going to smell delicious. We are going to add some chocolate ganache on top. We are going to do a little bit of decoration with candied orange today. I'm going to start by putting in one bowl the sugar, the orange zest right after the sugar. Mix together for a few seconds. This is ready. It smells so good. So good. Now we are going to add the egg, low speed. It's gonna be a disaster otherwise. You can add all the eggs together, and now you let go at high speed for 3 minutes. So while we do that, we are going to prepare the chocolate ganache. I put this cream in the microwave, and I'll be right back. I love these workshops and the time that I spend with you guys. Yes, it was definitely boiling. We are going to add right away all the chocolate. Cover it for about a minute. We are going to go back to that very shortly. In a while, let's take care of the dry ingredient, the baking powder to the flour. I have to check on this other video if you guys can see everything. You can sift the flour, or you can use a whisk, and you want to make sure as well that baking powder and flour are well combined. You can add a little bit of salt. It is totally up to you if you want to do so. Let's go back to our chocolate ganache. Just start stirring slowly, and then you will see very quickly that everything is start coming together. Do not use a whisk. The whisk is going to incorporate air in your ganache. We do not want that. Our butter is almost ready. Look at this texture. It is perfect. And now we take care of our butter here. Now if you can see it, it is absolutely great. High speed for about 3 to 5 minutes. We can add the vanilla now. And now we are going to add low speed orange juice. You can do it in one. Vegetable oil. Go to medium speed for about a minute. Yes, so we can start adding at low speed our dry ingredients. Low speed, otherwise you are going to have your whole kitchen full of flour. And just until everything is combined. So this seems ready. Baking spray. Make sure that it's sprayed properly. Look at that. Oh guys, it smells so good already. Here we have it. This is ready to go in the oven. The temperature again is 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is going to bake for 15 minutes, 50. I have posted the other day whole wheat bread, which is a workshop that we did a few weeks ago. But guys, it's a new recipe, so it's not the same that we did last time. This is even more moist and tasty. Don't miss it. All right guys, so here we have our bundt. Came out nicely, as you can see. It didn't break. So now what we are going to do, here we have our chocolate ganache. This is the right consistency. All right. How does it look like? To me it looks great. And now we are going to decorate it with some orange, candied orange. I want to start with one big one here, medium size here, and a big one here. How does it look like for now? I didn't finish yet. Small, tiny here. And now here we are going to put a little bit of chocolate and take a quick look again. Orange Bundt. topped with chocolate ganache, dark chocolate ganache, and candied orange on top. And what do you think? Do you like it? Yes, no, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you like, but just let me know what you think about this orange chocolate bundt. And I'm going to have a slice. Oh, look at how moist and beautiful this bundt is. I get so excited. So it's super moist. It smells so good. What can I say? The taste of the orange with the combination of the dark chocolate is absolutely amazing. One thing you guys can do, if you like to use alcohol in your baking, you can add a liquor called Grand Marnier. It's the best combination, the best liquor you can add when you use orange in your baking and chocolate. It's going to be just perfection. Try Grand Marnier. This is delicious. Also worth it. Look at that. One more time. Try this recipe. Thank you again for joining me. Have a great Sunday and I'll see you soon. Baci e ciao a tutti.